Today's video, I'm going to be talking about education. COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, is a combination of several diseases. It's a class of diseases which include chronic bronchitis, emphysema, alpha-1, and several other diseases. And one of the key components in terms of getting your best possible outcome is to get educated. So as you think about getting educated, there's probably a couple of places where you can start, right? And so I just want to share a few strategies there to help you be reminded about what you can do in order to be better educated about your disease. The first thing is sort of the offline way. Talk with your doctor, talk with his nurse or her nurse, talk with people in the staff to get the best possible education you can have face-to-face. That would be one way, one strategy. So the question I would have for you is, do you talk with your doctor? Do you have your doctor explain what is going on for you in your disease? All right? Another strategy would be more in the online sense. What online sites do you visit in order to get a deeper explanation? And generally speaking, they're done in a very layman-friendly way. So do you visit sites like the COPDfoundation.org? Do you visit their site, read the materials they have? Sometimes the people who are your medication manufacturers, they have sites as well that you can look through and read and get a deeper understanding of the disease, how it progresses, what to expect, what to watch out for, and things that you can do in order to improve your outcomes. Don't forget the education piece. And remember, there's 3 questions that I want you to be asking. I want you to be asking, what am I doing well? So you might say, I always ask my doctor what I'm thinking or what questions I have. You might do that well. Or you might say, I'm always writing down the questions I have in between appointments, and then I ask the doctor. That's one. And then another question you could ask is, what could I do better to improve? Maybe in between, if your appointments are once every 3 months or once every 6 months, then how could you get the information you want to improve your education? Can you go online? Can you go to the library? What's your education strategy? And then the third question is, what can I do to, what kind of support might I need? How can I improve that? And so you look through, is there a coach, or is there a group that you can go to, whatever it is, that you can get further educated. Okay? So remember the E of education, and make sure you're being as educated as possible to get the best possible outcome in your COPD management.